Hi, I'm Steve Jones and I'm going to tell you how to multiply and divide integers. Well, the question is why integers? The answer is they're simple. But first of all, with multiplication, we know that everybody learns tables up to 12 times 12. We all know that 12 12s is 144. So tables enable us to get up to 12 times 12. But when we get bigger than that, we have to use long multiplication. For example, 163 multiplied by 41. Now, there are many different ways of denoting this, but what most people do is they usually start with the unit column, and we know 1 times 163 is just 163. Now, we then need to say, well, what about the 4? This isn't 4, this is 40. So, in fact, what we do is we start at the next column, 10 bigger to the left, and we therefore put a 0 in this column. That represents the 0 of the 40, and then 4 3s are 12, and then 4 6s are 24, carrying 1, 25, and 4 1s are 4, 5, 6. So 6, 5, 2, 0. And by adding those two columns of figures, we end up with a result 6,683 for 41 multiplied by 163. So that is a simple long multiplication. Obviously, if this bottom number gets bigger, we get more lines. We get one line for each digit in the multiplier. And obviously, we get digits in here, depending on how long the top number is too. But this is a comparatively simple example. For division, we have more or less the same thing. The only difference with tables, you've got to identify a number that you recognize in your tables. For example, if you get the number 49, you know 49 is 7 times 7. So this is easy. But for long division is the only way to go if you have to divide integers. And that would be done, let's say the same numbers, 163, this time divided by 41. People denote these things in different ways. Make sure you keep your decimal point here, and you know that, well, 4 4s are 16, so this is going to be about 4. 41 goes into 1? No. 16? No. 163? Yes, it goes 3 times. Right? And then you calculate what is left, and so forth. So long division is quite a routine way of calculating this number. Let's see how it works. Okay, we'll put the number at the top, 3 point something. So 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. So that's 123. We take away what's left. I end up with 4 0. And here's my note. I have to now use the number 400 to give me whatever's in here. And I'll get 9. And I keep on doing this. 9 times 1 is 9. And 9 4s are 36, 369. And this leaves me 39, and so on. Bring another naught down. And I'll get a series of numbers here, which gives me the result of my division. So what you've got here is a way, obviously long multiplication, you get a very big number. Long division, you're likely to get a number which has a lot of decimal places. Take care. It's easy to make a mistake doing it. Just keep it simple.